Hello, welcome to ChopChopChef. Today I like to do with you a simple version of roast chicken. I know plenty out there know how to do it, you know, and again there's endless value added things you can put on there, but I like to show you what I just do with it. You know, so when you have a chicken, so this is nearly 1.82 kilo. Yeah, we want to make sure nothing is inside here. Yeah, sometimes there's kidneys in there, or heart, or the neck, right? So everything is empty. There's no pouch in there, yeah, to soak up the liquid. So we want to make sure everything is empty. Then I take the chicken, yeah, and if there's too much excess fat, like here in the front, I will cut this a little bit off. So like this one here, we just trim this a little bit here. Yeah, we don't want that, we don't need that, we don't need that. Yeah, good, good, good. Otherwise this looks good. Turning this baby around. Yeah, so the wings, when the wings are, definitely when we turn it around, yeah, we want to make sure not the wings standing up like this, because yes, I'm not putting aluminium foil around here and not around here either. Yeah, I make it really, really easy. So this one we want to make sure that definitely underneath the backside. Okay? Okay, next thing here. Yeah, as well, you will see plenty people, you know, putting under the skin. Have a look at here. What you can do is, if you want to put a little bit garlic butter or a little bit herbs, you just go here in here with a spoon, and you can see my finger going here. So that's what you do, going in, and you stuff things in here. So whatever you put on here, that's the breast. This flavor then penetrates a little bit into the breast. You can put in here, in the open cavity here, you can put a half lemons in there, you can put herbs in there, garlic, ginger, you name it. But again, I repeat myself, today I really like to show to you the simple, easy, nice, crisp, golden brown roast chicken. Yeah, so we have our chicken here, easy done. What's next? Yes, I use only paprika, a little bit salt and a little bit pepper, and butter and some herbs. Okay, we can season it on here a little bit. Yeah, so first of all we're using soft butter, and give this a nice good sort of smear all over the place. Yeah, don't be too shy on it, because this one then obviously gives the color and the crispiness, right? So, zack, zack, zack. We got this one sorted. Yes, we can put this a little bit in here, no problem. Okay, we got a butter, as you can see. Yeah, I like butter. We're washing our hands. Next, already we can dust a little bit paprika powder over it. Just like this, yeah. Done. Yes, we take salt, excuse me. With this salt, you don't have to be too shy, and I'll tell you in a minute why. Okay, salt, pepper. I have a little bit of fresh herbs. I mean, what that means is I have oregano and lemon thyme. Here we go. Let me see. Here you go, beautiful lemon thyme. Smells so good. I love it. From my garden. And oregano. Yeah. Now we do a whole rub again a little bit. Yeah. Massage everything nicely together. Underneath, everywhere. Beautiful. So here we go. Now we're putting this baby in our roasting pan. Here we go. Now in this roasting pan, I put a little bit water, liquid. Yeah. So just that the base is covered of whatever dish you do. Don't drown the chicken, right? So just enough sits a little bit in the liquid. That's all. Okay. Today we preheated our oven on 180 degrees, and we're putting this baby in here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, and we say goodbye. Let's put the timer on for 40 minutes, 40 on 180 degrees, and run. And later on, I show you this once, I will take some of the liquid and always glaze it over the chicken, nappé, right? That's what we call it. But I show you this one, and I do this so every 10 minutes. Yeah, nicely, a few spoons all over. And that's why when I do this one, it maybe washes down a little bit all the spices. Right? That's why I said a little bit more salt is okay. All right, let's do the thing. 40 minutes, 180 degrees, easy. So here we go. Our chicken is now roasting nice and slowly along for 15 minutes. And now I just show you what I do with this glazing, what I mean with nappé. Okay, we hold the heat. All right, take this baby out. Right, so why we have a little bit liquid in here. So now here we take this liquid, and that's what we do. Yeah, more and more and more. Yeah. A little bit so. And this process, as I said, I do every 10 minutes. Yeah, nicely glaze the liquid over it. And this liquid fond gets of course more and more intense from the chicken flavor, right? And now the washed down salt and pepper and the spices and the herbs, but we nappé it over again and again. So we continue this roasting on 180 degrees for 20 minutes. And then probably I give it a quick crack to 200 degrees for other 10 minutes. Till then. Okay, everybody, our chicken is getting there, but I just, it takes around 8 more minutes. But I want to show you something when it is just before the finishing time. Still now it starts to get beautiful color, right? So very nice. Now, how do you know when the chicken is ready? Yeah, this is always a question, right? Now, of course, you see already some juices running out here, right? Now this is still a little bit red. Obviously, it's a sign it's not ready. But even more so, when I turn the chicken now around here, I go with a big fork. I go below the legs, below the breast, take it in like here, and then have a look what comes out. Yeah. So if this is not 100% clear juice, when you have a look, there's still a little bit of blood lines in here. So we give this another 10 minutes and probably crank it up to 220 degrees so it gets nice and colorful. And that's what you can do. You can obviously probe as well. If you have a probe thermometer, you have to go in the thickest part of the chicken and achieve a 75 degrees, right? Please do not pick into the beautiful tender breast, right? We don't want to pick this one with all holes, you know. You're going here in the leg, you're going all in there, right? That's where the thickest part is. And that's where we're going in, right? So here we go. This proves it 73. That's what I said. This is 10 minutes on 220, and then we are there. Okay. Let's put that down. We glaze it one more time, right? Like I said, look at all this butter which is now down there, and our juice has a beautiful color. Yeah. Maybe 8 minutes. Ow! 8 minutes. Yeah. On 220. And so let me put this one quickly on. So 8 minutes. Okay, 7. So 7 minutes, and then I let it when the chicken is ready, this will be ready then in 8 minutes. I let it rest for 3 or 4 minutes before I put it on a chopping block and butcher it. Okay, I show you that as well. Here it is, our roasted chicken. It's looking so good, we have 35 seconds and then we reveal it by opening the oven door. Okay, but as you can see, it's nice and crisping along now. Yeah, because I mean we cranked it up to 220 degrees. Yeah, so this gives a boost. That's what we normally do as well with pork knuckles when we do them. Yeah, so the last few minutes we just give it a good crack, that you get a nice crisp skin. Okay, all right, that's it. Let's see. The camera has to be careful. There will be lots of steam coming out. Choo! And ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you ChopChopChef's version of roast chicken. Yes, and we have a quick look, but this juice is nice and clear. But let's do our thing one more time. Yeah, nice clear juice, right? You cannot see any blood. Okay, but as I said, I like to leave this one here for other 4 or 5 minutes, just let it rest, and then I'm happy to show you how I tranche the legs and the breast and the wings and so on. Yeah? Okay, just give me a few moments. Okay, everyone, now our roasted chicken has nicely rested a little bit, yeah, for a few minutes. We take all the juice out. Oh, okay, then we bring it over here. Now, of course, we're having the legs and the wings. How we do that? All right, let's tranche the legs first, right? Look at that, beautiful. Then you're going, here will be a bone here. Yeah, it will be nice. I have to turn it around like this. Hold it, just press it slightly down. Yeah, and then you will find here, the camera has to go in here where my knife point is. There's the bone. Yeah, you want to just cut. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here we go, leg number 1, right? So this would be one full leg, but now we can cut it obviously as well one more time if you want to. Again, there's one bone running down here up to here, and then this one running down here. So we want to, when we cut it, cutting it right here in the middle, like here. And then this goes normally, very easy, like that. And here we go. One part of the leg, 2 part of the leg. Yeah, okay. While we're on that side, yes, we can cut the wings off as well. Yeah. Wings, same thing. If you want to have the whole wing like this, you know, so lots of people like this one to take it in the hands and chew on it. Beautiful. And now the breast, right? So you're having, just think of sort of the middle line here. Yeah. Where's the breast cage. Now we're making a soft cesarean. In the back here, we want to run down along here. All right? So let's see if we can manage this one. So like this, beautiful. And now press it a little bit, the knife, sort of you get a feel for where the bones are. Yeah, and then you're just softly going along, starting from the front here. Bang, 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 all along. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. And we have a beautiful breast, right? Here we go, look at this. Nice, 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 right? So we have the breast, the wings, the leg. I will do this one more time with the other side, but before I do that one, the most important thing is, as I say so many times, let's turn this around. And ladies and gentlemen, over here, left and right, that's the chicken fillets. And they are only reserved for the chefs who cooks it. So in this case, will be me. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's the best, so tender. So nice. Okay, again, before I get too carried away, ladies and gentlemen, this was a very simple version of roasted chicken, nothing wrong, any day in the week, you know, for lunch or dinner. Legs, wings, breast, one more time, 1 hour. Yeah, just go on our recipe site and then you see the time frame, how many degrees for how long, and then you achieve this result. Nice and juicy still, right? Perfect. Thank you so much for joining me on ChopChopChef. Till next time.